What are you doing?
Tignan mo na may pamangkin mo.
Dikit. Ano mo lang? Ganun mo lang. What are you doing?
Tignan mo na may pamangkin mo.
Tignan mo. Wow! Hanip!
It's in my chest, got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat. It's in my chest.
Yung ano ng 1.5 din lab.
Got me feeling some kind of way.
Kahit anong
I
plastic din.
confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody,
Ganun sa brain lab. Ano ka strong naman?
smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from
Yes,
a
wait na.
golden bee.
Wow!
It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat, making me move from my head to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah,
You like it?
it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby,
Wow!
that I found when the
Mantika is
music
the key.
plays. I just can't help but
Right, Dad?
sway. Nothing else
How about you,
matters.
Timmy?
It's my
How about you,
heart
G?
that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained.
Ooh, Dada!
In
Look,
the
G!
symphony of love, I am unafraid. Yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. I hear the beat. It's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over, no room to rest. My heart's dancing,
Sa mga.
it's a love
Wow.
conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping
How was it?
from a golden bee.
Yum.
It's the soundtrack to my soul's heat,
Like it?
making me move from my head to my
Wow.
feet.
Si Daddy
My
maghawak.
heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping
Ganun ba
so
yun?
loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby.
Timmy, this is what you're missing.
When the music plays, I just can't help but sway.
Ang aking pamangkin ay nandun lang sa
Nothing else
tent.
matters. It's my heart that
So guys, we're going to sleep na. Diba, G? This is the end of our day 2. Tapos na kami
Marshmallow.
marshmallow. Samgyup and bonfire. So this is the end of our day 2. We're gonna rest na. And tomorrow is gonna be our last day. Bukas guys, papakita namin sa inyo yung struggle is real sa daan. Bye. Good night. Okay, sure.
I love you guys. And good night now.
Good night. Mwah. Hi guys, good morning. Today is our last day. 6 a.m. na. Pero sila ate ko, nagising sila around 2 a.m. Kasi nag-share na kami ng tent kagabi. And yung tent nila is nabasa na totally. Hindi siya pang camping yung tent na dala namin. Pero buti itong isa is okay siya kasi malaki. Dalawang double bed ang kasya. Prepare ulit si ate ng breakfast. I'll show you guys the outside world. So, ito guys, yung outside ulit. Ma-foggy ulit siya. See? Ang ganda talaga. Sulit talaga yung bayad mo dito. And as you can see, mayroon pang humabol na camper kahapon. Campers. Yun sila guys. Yun. Tapos, dito sa side namin, kami na lang yung natitira. Ayan. Marami dyan kahapon. Tapos dito. Ayan. Ito na lang. Kami na lang natitirang campers dito sa baba. So, tapos ayan yung foggy clouds. Si Kuya. Tawa ni ate. Kuya, good morning. Prepare na kami ng food kasi ayos na kami namin. Talaga? Ay! This is the big Gigi pala. Where's the small Gigi? The baby Gigi. Say good morning to the guys. Gigi, say good morning. Yana. Say good morning. Ah! Good morning, G. Wow. Doon kami nag-bonfire guys.
Dami mo nakain. Ano? Ganun yung ano mo, chicks mo niyo.
Chubby Bunny?
Chubby bunny. Dami, tas pakit yan.
Wow.
Parang may chicken.
Basta habulin din ni Yuki.
Huli niyo.
Oh no!
Kakainin niyo.
Here's the chicken.
Dapat wala.
Oh no. Ito ba yung sasakyan namin guys? Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung ano yung tsura ng daan. Playtime. Uy, 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 uy. Budi, budi, budi. Budi, budi, budi. Okay. Pinagmamalaki natin kung Wagyu from Save. Malambot daw yan guys. Hindi ko pa ito natitikman. Yum. Yummer. Ayun din nila guys yung ano, mga chicken. And go. The chickens. Ang mga manok ni Papa.
Kiss mo sa kanya dun.
Go. Wow, galing Gigi. Isa pa. Ano lagay sa buhok mo? Ay.
Siya mo. Siya lang makakuha niyan.
One more, one more. Oh, laksa mo. Uy. Wow. Go, G. Feed the chickens. Wow. Galing ah. Hanap nila, G. Hanap nila yung egg. Nasa buhok mo. Napunta sa hair mo. Punta muna ako guys sa farm namin kasi mag-harvest ako ng eggs. Ito yung farm namin guys. O di ba naka-ready na siya?
One, 6, 2,
We're giving it to Ate. She's gonna fry it. Here you go sis. Fresh from the farm. Guys, we're leaving. Bye. Sige kuya, go kuya. Nasoli pa siya ng gamit. Bye everyone. Bye. Back to reality. Yeah, we're gonna miss it here. Bye. It's a success! Congratulations! You made it! Thank you, Kuya. Bye-bye po! Bye-bye! Bye! Ito na guys, another struggle. Bango. Ito kasi. Smells good. Oopsie. Ito yan siya, oh. Nadaanan niya. Wow!
kaya. Atras bante. Abante lang.
Yeah, what's good,
May stock tayo.
Yo, di ba?
Dito siguro pwede.
Thrilling nga, di ba? Thrilling. Dito na kami sa may Antipolo. Dito kami kakain sa may KFC. Dad, say bye na to the vlog. Dad. Bye. See you on our next one.
See you.